Well, guys, today I'm going to show you the real status of COVID 19, the coronavirus. This is a very good site, worldometers.info. It's a very authentic site. As of now, as of now, we have 245,727 corona cases throughout the world. 2,45,000. And if you see the death rate, it is already 10,046 people have died so far as of today. But what is important to note is that so many of them have been recovered. Out of 245,000 cases, 88,441 have got recovered. So active cases now is 147,000 out of 245,000 cases. So I'm going to show you the from on January 2nd, 22nd, for example, there have been let's say 580 cases, and when it rose to at the end of January it was 11,950, and in February it went around February end it was almost 86,000, and then now we are running in the March 19th today is 244,932 lakhs 44,932, like 244 thousands. And death as of today is I told you 10,032 deaths. Now we are going to see country wise, like in China, in total there have been 80,967 new cases. That's like yesterday, 39 cases have been added. 3,248 deaths have been recorded. New deaths, I mean, like yesterday, 3 people have died. And Italy is almost half of the total case of China, is 44,000. And there are many deaths, more deaths in Italy than China. This is all reported cases. 3,405 people have died in Italy. After Italy, Iran is the next biggest hit, 18,407 with 1,284 deaths. Then Spain is 18,077. Germany with 15,000 and odd. USA with 14,340, like 551 cases, new cases. No, it means in one day, like yesterday. There are 217 deaths in USA. France is 10,995. South Korea is 8,652. Switzerland, UK. So these are most of the European countries. Italy, Iran, Spain, Germany, other than USA, France. South Korea has been hit very badly, 8,652. And then Switzerland, in UK 3,000, and then Austria, Belgium, Norway, Sweden, Denmark. So all the European countries stand first. They have been hit very, very fast. In Malaysia, there are 900 cases. Earlier it was less, with total deaths of 2 deaths. Then Australia, 785 with 29 cases reported very recently and 7 deaths till now. What are the other countries? You are in Pakistan, 454 with 2 deaths. Singapore is 345, but there has been no death at all. No, no death at all reported. And then we have Indonesia with 309 cases with 25 deaths. Thailand is 272 with 1 death. What else? Philippines is 217. Hong Kong 2008. India 195 deaths. It's a big country with a big population. Only one case has been reported yesterday, and there have been 4 deaths. Mexico is 164, South Africa 150. What else? Taiwan is 108 cases with 1 death. Vietnam, for example, it's 85 cases but no deaths, no new cases. 16 people have been recovered. Sri Lanka is 60 cases and no deaths have been reported. 3 people have been recovered. What else? New Zealand with 39, 11 people have been reported yesterday. With their new cases, no deaths yet. That's a good news. So there are Maldives is 13 cases, no deaths yet. That's good. All these African countries, Nigeria, Ghana, Rwanda, all these Ivory Coast, Kenya, all of them have in single digit or double digit. Guyana is 5, Congo 3, Namibia 3, Nepal 1, and 1 recovered. That's good. Fiji 1. There's only 1 active case, no death. Vatican City 1. Who is that? Who is that in Vatican City? Okay, so 245,000, 2,45,727 cases, with 834 cases newly added for yesterday, and 10,046 total death with 17 new deaths yesterday. But what is very hopeful is that 88,441 people have been recovered. So everything has its own sources. For example, if there are 2 new cases in Ethiopia, there is a source. They get it from, they say from where they get the source. 551 new cases and 9 new deaths in United States. Allow me. 309 new cases and 25 new deaths in Indonesia. What happened? So this, if you want to know the real up-to-date live facts about coronavirus, you can jump into weldometers.info. See you next time.